Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display custom footer on all posts or specific posts in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our post and this is our another post. So this is our default footer. So we are going to set custom footer on all posts or specific posts. Now go to custom footer we created. So you can create custom footer according to requirement and then click on update and then you see where do you want to display your template button, add condition. So click on it, include entire site. Now select and then you see archive singular. Now select singular and then you see all singular. Now select and then you see multiple option. You see post. Now select and then you see all. So first select all and then click on save and close. Now update done. Go to post page and refresh the page. Go to another post and refresh the page. Now go to hello world. Now you see custom footer. Go to another post and then you see custom footer. For all posts we apply. Now we are going to set custom footer on specific post. Now go to custom footer again and then you see save option. So click on it. Display condition. So click on it and then you see all. So click on it. So right here post name hello and then you see hello world. Now select and then click on save and close. Now update done. Go to another post hello world, refresh the page. Go to another post. Now refresh the page and then you see default footer. Now go to hello world we selected in custom footer. Now you see this is our custom footer. So it's up to you. If you want you can display custom footer on all posts or specific post in Elementor Pro WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.